The world watched in horror as Russia invaded Ukraine in 2022. A new weapon took center stage in the conflict, the Kamikaze drone. These drones were the bomb, designed to explode on impact, echoing Japan's Kamikaze Pilots from World War II. But these modern Kamikaze drones are different. They are cheaper, more readily available, and capable of striking deep within enemy territory. Small and agile, they can evade traditional air defenses. They loiter in the sky, waiting for the perfect moment to strike, making them a constant threat. The use of kamikaze drones raises significant ethical and strategic concerns. Their proliferation threatens to destabilize regions and escalate conflicts. As technology advances, we face a future where war could be dominated by swarms of these deadly drones. Understanding their origins, capabilities, and the implications of their use is crucial to navigating the changing landscape of warfare. The future of war may very well be defined by swarms of these lethal machines, forever changing the face of conflict. In the final years of World War II, a new and terrifying weapon emerged in the Pacific theater, the kamikaze. Facing overwhelming American naval power, the Japanese military turned to a desperate measure. They trained pilots to crash their planes, laden with explosives, into enemy ships. These pilots, known as kamikaze, meaning divine wind, believed they were sacrificing themselves for the emperor and the glory of Japan. The kamikaze attacks were a product of desperation and fanatical ideology. Japan's military leaders saw it as a way to inflict maximum damage on the enemy, while boosting dwindling morale at home. The kamikaze attacks had a devastating psychological impact on Allied sailors. While not always tactically successful, the kamikaze attacks inflicted significant damage on Allied ships and caused heavy casualties. They serve as a stark reminder of the human cost of war and the dangers of unchecked ideology. The kamikaze concept lay dormant for decades after World War II, a dark chapter in military history. However, the 21st century saw its resurgence in a new and more technologically advanced form, the kamikaze drone. The convergence of unmanned aerial vehicle technology, precision guidance systems, and miniaturized explosives breathed new life into the concept of suicide attacks. The modern kamikaze drone is a far cry from its World War II predecessor. These drones are smaller, faster, and more precise. They can be launched from land, sea, or air, and are capable of loitering over battlefields for hours, waiting for the ideal moment to strike. Their small size and low flying altitude make them difficult to detect and intercept, posing a significant challenge to traditional air defense systems. Their relative affordability compared to traditional fighter jets and missiles makes them attractive to nations with limited defense budgets. The increasing availability of commercial drone technology has also contributed to their proliferation. The ethical and legal implications of their use remain a subject of intense debate. Iran has emerged as a leading developer and exporter of kamikaze drones, particularly the Shahed 136. This loitering munition, with its distinctive delta wing design, has become a symbol of Iran's growing drone program. The Shahed 136 has been deployed in attacks against oil facilities in Saudi Arabia, targeting U.S. bases in Iraq, and in support of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. It is powered by a noisy two-stroke engine, giving it a distinctive sound that has become synonymous with fear in Ukraine. It carries a high-explosive warhead in its nose, and its long range allows it to strike targets hundreds of kilometers away. While lacking the sophistication of some Western drones, the Shahed 136's low cost and ease of operation make it an effective weapon, especially when used in swarms. Iran's proliferation of Shahed drones has raised concerns among Western governments and their allies. The drones have been used to carry out attacks on civilian infrastructure and have been linked to numerous casualties. The international community continues to grapple with how to effectively counter the threat posed by Iranian kamikaze drones. The United States, a pioneer in drone technology, has also developed its own arsenal of kamikaze drones, most notably the AeroVironment Switchblade. Unlike the larger, more strategic Predator and Reaper drones, the Switchblade is designed for tactical use, providing ground troops with a highly portable and precise weapon system. The Switchblade is essentially a flying shotgun, designed to eliminate high-value targets with minimal collateral damage. The Switchblade comes in various sizes, each tailored for specific missions. The Switchblade 300 is man-portable and designed to engage targets within a 10-kilometer radius. It can loiter for up to 15 minutes, providing real-time intelligence and strike capabilities. The larger Switchblade 600, with its anti-armor warhead, can engage heavier targets, including tanks and armored vehicles, at ranges up to 40 kilometers. Its effectiveness in eliminating high-value targets with precision has made it a sought-after weapon system among allied nations. However, the proliferation of similar kamikaze drone technology among potential adversaries raises concerns about a level playing field in future conflicts. From the Kamikaze Pilots of World War II to the Shahed Drones and beyond, warfare has evolved dramatically. What do you think? Are drones the future of combat, or can defenses catch up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the tech shaping our world. Thanks for watching.